Have you ever stepped into bright light and suddenly sneezed, thinking the sun just attacked your nose? That surprising reflex, the photic sneeze, affects a third of people and kicks in through a nerve shortcut in the brain. Exposure to daylight triggers signals that travel from the retina to the trigeminal nerve, mistaking brightness for irritants. Most people simply blink or blink away, but some studies suggest a genetic pattern explains why reactions differ. So next time you squint into the sun and feel that tickle, remember it's a quirky brain shortcut at play.